Hi everyone, and welcome to a little unboxing video. Here is the box. So basically I've got a Cricut machine and I wanted to produce my own stickers, so I tried and the cost of them was not good. The paper was too expensive, it was taking a long time, and I was having to run up, down, up, down, up, down because the printer's in a different room, and it was just getting silly. So I decided to approach another content creator, and I went to the amazing Catherine from Catnip. Now, if you follow her vlogs, then you know how amazing she is. Her husband and all of the family involved are absolutely amazing, and she's always been an inspiration for me. I will be honest, she's kind of inspiring me to take my business to the next level. Scary stuff. So I reached out and I said, can you help? Since you got a lovely brand new cute adorable Roland machine, would you mind doing a batch? And they came back and they was like, yeah, fine. So that's what's happened. So I had a batch before, and I want to show you these, and what I love about Catherine's work is her marketing, her branding is beautiful. I'm not a pink girl. I don't do pink. Pink is too girly for me. But I can see how it works. So part of ordering from Catherine is that I can see her designs. I can see how she packages things, what she does. It's just absolutely amazing. And for me, having a physical product also means that I can really study it, and I can look at my own little business and say, I need to do that better. I need to do this better. So it's a big thing. And one of the other things that I love is her thank you cards. Their art designs different time of the month, and it's got a lovely little paragraph about how you're helping the business. It's just, it's cute. I don't do cute, but this is cute. And I really am loving her packaging. So this has set me up for Inspire. I want to do better. I'm going to do better. I probably won't do this good, but I'm going to try. So I asked if they'd be able to do a batch, and Dean has been amazing. I tell you what, this isn't me kissing feet or anything. This is me being absolutely 100% honest, and I don't lie when I do reviews and stuff. I'm being solid honest. I had the pleasure of working with Dean, and the customer service level, the communication, the speed, everything has been amazing and fast, reliable. I've had no issues whatsoever. I made a boo-boo because I put my wrong postcode in because I was too excited. But that got picked up. I think the postie picked that up. And it's just been absolutely lovely. It's nice to work with people who really do have the passion and drive behind, and they all do. Every member of that team has got it. So my first batch of stickers, ignore the 63 in the corner, we did like a test. So I said, I don't want to rush, take your time, use scraps if you want it. It's just have a go. Let's see what happens. And we ended up actually having more than 50 produced, which was absolutely fine. So I made sure that was all covered. So I just love this. And these were the stickers. And they're lovely. The vinyl that they're using is beautiful. On the back you do get like the back of the vinyl thing, but the quality and the feel is lovely. So if you want really good, darn good quality stickers, Catnip, I recommend. Beautifully produced, her own lines. Now, like I said, I did this because I just needed a little boost, a little help, because I'm struggling what to do, where to go. And this has really been it. So that was my first batch, and I absolutely love them. I'm still working out what I'm doing with my stickers, if that makes sense. So, and then in the post today, batch number 2. So I'm excited. So as you can see, I've cut it already because I'm terrible at opening boxes. This arrived today. Again, I said, don't rush, take your time. I don't care if I have to wait 3 weeks. I am in no rush. It's just, so I'm trying to work with the Catnip team so that I don't disturb mainstream orders. They can literally, if I pop in, my order, I don't care, like I say, if it takes 4 weeks. If there's priority orders, that goes ahead of me. That's how I am. I'm never going to put a big rush on a job like that. Now, my printer down the road, yes, I'll get a bit cheeky and say, you got any work going on tomorrow? Do you want some work tomorrow? I'll be a little bit more pushy, but not majorly. Never upset your printer. So here we go. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to. Okay, I've fallen on the first hurdle. Right. Yeah, me and boxes, I always struggle to open boxes. And what I like about these boxes is these boxes are very, very good for postal stuff. It all travels safe. And they've used the reinforced tape, so the tape will string in. Here we go. Alright. Right. Here we go. So, one of Catherine's traits is pink, as you probably ascertained. And there we go, packaged by Dean. Thank you, Dean. You're doing amazing. And you've got the pink paper, which is always nice. I do tissue paper, but I have to struggle a bit with the P&P. Because P&P for me is still a bit of a bugbear. I'm feeling extremely blind. I can't see the entrance. Oh, it's up here. No, it's down there. Dean, you've packaged it too well. I can't get in. I keep the tissue paper that comes in. So what I'll do is I'll shred it. And I reuse it for packaging for myself. So that's one of my things, is that I try and recycle. So if you order anything from me, you might find it's in an old Amazon box. It's got a lot of mixed tissue paper colours. It's because I recycle. Reuse. I'm not going to fill landfills with stuff that doesn't need to go to landfill. So if you do get a package from me, try and keep the box. Use it for something else. Do you have a birthday coming up for a family member? Reuse it. Stick a bit of duct tape around it. And I'm not kidding when I say that, with duct tape. You can get some beautiful coloured duct tapes. Just wrap it in that, stick some tissue paper on it, and voila. So here we go. Oh, this is just... So I've got the art printy thing again. Now, this will be my second one of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to politely say, don't worry about putting that in the box. Because I would rather this went to one of her other customers. Because I'm me. But it's beautifully packaged. So I'm going to, oh yeah, we got funny numbers again. So here they are. So the stickers are in a package, and that's got to be my overflow. Oh gosh, Dean, what have you done? No, that's the overflow. Ah, dear me. I think that's got to be 25. That's 25 and seconds. Oh, Dean. A little whoopsie, but still cute. I'm gonna cry. This company is so decent. These are seconds. You know what? That shows the quality of Catherine's team. This shows the quality of them wanting to produce a high-class, amazing product, no matter if it's to someone like myself who's just asking for a favour, from the big wholesale companies. This is, they didn't throw the seconds. They didn't have to send me the seconds. Sorry, I'm just really, really amazed. Oh, that is amazing. So I wonder what happened to... I'll have to find out how come there were seconds. Because then the thing is, I can learn from this. So, did I do something wrong with my design? Or was it the paper? What went wrong to create this many seconds? Because seriously, that's a lot of seconds, and that's money out of their wallet. So, let's see if I can give them some extra for that. I feel bad when it's things like this, because I appreciate how much it costs to run a machine. But these are the main stickers. Whoops. And so I've got a pink one, and I've got a yellow one. And it's one of my little otters, and this is the way round he does. So I did, when I tried to produce him, I've got one here. Oh, he's not very sticky. That was how mine came out. And you can see the slight difference. So she's trying to, there we go. And I must say, the darker, I really, really like the darker. My printer keeps on going too extreme yellow, too extreme red, which was one of the problems I was having. I couldn't get a proper brown. But yeah, their printer has got it down to an absolute T. That's brilliant. That's absolutely brilliant. So I just want to show you this because when you want to be like inspired by somebody, this is the sort of thing that really, really does make me happy. And I'm feeling like this is a top quality product. It feels an amazing product. It looks a great product, or amazing product. I mean, I know I've got to, basically, I've got to have the artwork to match the product. So, let's have a little look. Oh. Oh, that smell of vinyl. Oh, that's a good smell. Yeah, and it's just the right size. Absolutely perfectly sized. It's around the same size as the first ones I got, buddy. Oh, come back, he's making a run for it. So, yeah, that size, I think that size is big enough for a sticker. And I've got a slight chunkier outline on this one because I wasn't sure how tight to go with the more detail, but this is brilliant. So yeah, I am well chuffed, and I'm going to sort them out, number them, have a chat to Dean about what happened. Because like I say, I kind of feel that I want to give something back. 4 seconds. And I'll sort something out. Maybe on my next one I'll add a bit more to the bill. But for seconds, let's have a look. Why are you seconds? I honestly can't see anything wrong with them. The backs are clean. They're a little... Yeah. I'm confused. I mean, that one's got a little bit of a dent to the tail, but that's... Oh, no, I'm going to... Yeah, these look fine by me. They feel fine. No, I'm confused. Master Dean, you confuse me. And Catherine uses the compostable plastic, hence the sound. I can't quite afford these yet. That's another aim, is to be able to afford to get those. But again, a lot of this stuff isn't cheap. So I'm just going to move the knife out of the way before I have a little accident. It's been one of those days at work where boiling water's been flying over the place. Right, so let's have a look. Size what? Same. Yeah, honestly, can't really tell the difference. Maybe a little bit of blue, slight different inks, but it's so tiny. So I've realised I've got the wrong lighting on here today. So that's the second, that's the first. But this is what I mean by such a professional company. High quality products, amazing customer service. I am so chuffed. My little head over heels otter. So I'll line them all up. I'll put those out first. So that's brilliant. Yeah, so like I say, I just wanted to show you guys what my latest little box of tricks is, and thought you'd enjoy hearing about that. So yeah, if you're starting up a small business and you don't want to go to China, you don't want to go to a big sticker company and then possibly have issues with them, have a look around, ask who your local producer is. Is there a YouTuber who can help? That's basically what I did, was I asked for help. work with different people, and that way you're gonna get a good quality product, because small businesses want you to get the best at the end of the day. And I think that's what this is all about, is that I've gone to another small business, and Catherine, Dean, Mike, Emily, all of them want you to get the best, and that's what they deliver. So yeah, so I just want to say thank you very, very much, Catnip and Co. And I can't wait to get some more done. So to everyone else, I hope you have an awesome time. All the best. Keep being creative. Keep aspiring. And I will see you next time. So happy drawing.